my third appearance on the vlog. I know I've had some fun. It's a sad day, but it's a better day because I know I'll be back on the vlog.
Please,
Keep
go away.
watching, keep watching. Like, subscribe, you already know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Debbie, and if this is not, welcome back. So before I even get to talking, and I forget to say this, if you are not subscribed, please go and click that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my uploads. Today is Thursday and it's currently 12:43, as you guys can see. So today I am hanging out with my friend Kadeen. We are going to the beach for a few, well, I think like 2 hours or so, and we're just going to go chill and just relax, and then right after that I will go grocery shopping, and then probably after that we might go to Latin night, but if we do I will take you guys along with me. If we don't, then that's fine as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. I was going to film like a whole bunch of sit down videos so I don't post as much vlogs as I've been posting, but like, you guys, I swear the worst things happen like all the time, so I haven't been feeling so well. I came down with like a whole like flu, I had the cold, I had fever, all of that. It's not what you think it was, but like yeah, I had like a whole like fever and stuff, and like my voice was totally gone, and I could not record anything. So yeah, I couldn't record it. I was trying to experiment this year with like the content that I put out on my channel. So this video, well, the video, when you guys see it, you know, but like it's going to be different from any other video on my channel. Like it's going to be a chit chat video, but way different, and yeah, we'll see how that does. But anyways, I'm just going to chill here and wait for Kadeen, and then when she's ready we will go to the beach. So guys, I'm home now. I have showered. I'm trying to talk slowly so my sister doesn't wake up because she's sleeping. But yeah, Katie went for classes and I'm about to get ready, so when she comes back we can just head out. But yeah, let's go and get ready. We actually look so cute. have to because I am sort of in a rush actually. Yeah, I am sort of in a rush. This morning I was supposed to film and like just do a whole bunch of things I usually do when I start off a vlog, but I was just not in the mood. Like I was just so pissed off because my hard drive stopped working. Like it is not showing up anywhere. I'll probably watch like 1,000 YouTube videos this morning just trying to fix the issue, but it isn't working out. There's nothing I can do, and this is like I think the second hard drive that just gave up this year. So currently I have no hard drive and I probably need to go get one. I am so not ready for the prices down here, but we shall see about that. I don't want to think about it. Like I'm just so pissed off because I had already finished editing my vlog, and the thing is I had the clips still like on my SD card, but because I was filming I was like, you know what, I'm just going to format it just so I have space in case I need to like film a whole bunch of stuff. And I deleted it only for my hard drive to spoil, and if I still had those clips I would have been able to re-edit the vlog, but that's not possible right now. Well, I guess that's fine. I currently am trying to rush down to the airport because my friend Natalie, she's coming down for graduation, and I'm going to go see if I can meet her at the airport before she lands. So that's why I'm trying to tie a scarf, because my hair underneath this is a disaster. It is a serious disaster. Anyways, I haven't really like done anything this morning because I literally just been trying to fix the hard drive. Like I was like, I don't even have the words. I don't have the words. I wanted to cry but I couldn't even cry because no tears were coming out. Like there's nothing I can do. I have like a whole bunch of songs I downloaded and all of that, and like all my effects just gone. Oh, but it is well. There's nothing I can do about it. All I just have to do is get a new hard drive. So that is what I'm going to do. I just tied my hair scarf. I don't know if I like it. I feel like it looks too flat. Well, so the bus is for 12:45. It's currently 12:19. I think I'm going to quickly leave my bed because I haven't done that, and just make sure that I turned off everything and wait till it's time to get on the bus. So I'll see you guys when we get to the airport. Bye. Okay, so guys, we're in Natalie's apartment. I'm literally in the toilet, but she's on the call, so I came into the bathroom to talk to you guys. But we are at her apartment now. We've just been chilling and like talking and stuff. But we are about to go for lunch. But first, I have to go home and change, and then we'll go to Umbrellas and have lunch. And then if there's anything going on, I'll take you guys along. But yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day.